there. Getting some more breaking news now. We're learning that actor Allu Arjun is visiting Tej at KIMS hospital in Hyderabad. He, in fact, was granted a special permission by the police to meet the boy who is currently recuperating. Remember, Tej was the same boy whose mother unfortunately lost her life in the Stampede at the Sadhya Theatre, which in fact happened at the film Pushpa 2's premiere, which saw the presence of Allu Arjun at the theatre premises, and because of which the Stampede-like situation really occurred. And that led to fans really trying to run to the star to get an access to the superstar, and because of which this mishap really had happened. Now we see Allu Arjun visiting the boy at the hospital on special permission. My colleague Harish Upadhyay has all the details there. Yes, Harish.
Well, a little over a month after the stampede took place, and Tej, the boy who was injured, continues to recover at the KIMS hospital in Begumpet in Hyderabad. You see the actor visiting him today. We do not know what's the kind of communication that has taken place, if it has taken place, if the doctors have allowed for it. But the fact that this boy continues to get treated at this hospital, it's the kind of injuries that he sustained, the condition that he was in. We've already seen ex gratia, or at least a compensation of sorts, going on from the team of the Pushpa 2, the producers of Pushpa 2, the family. Now the actor making this courtesy visit to the boy, perhaps to inquire about his health and his whole recovery process.
Right, Harish, thank you so much for all of that information. There you can see Allu Arjun really going to KIMS hospital to meet with the boy, Tej. Remember, he was there in that stampede-like situation that in fact cost his mother her life. We are slipping into a very short break. With that, we'll come right back.